So in this second block, we also have a big view into the industrial reality of circular plastics and how SMEs, small and medium enterprises, contribute to this process. During the INCIRCULAR project, we had 6 funded projects that were funded by INCIRCULAR through a cascade funding. And we will have the results of each of the projects today. We're going to start with MOIK project, that is metallization of industrial knives. And for this, we have Alain with us. Alain holds a master's degree in materials and metallurgy and is finishing his PhD in material science. Alain is founder of a company, Aditya, and comes from 10 years of experience in research and development. He worked before in the Slovenian steel industry and crane group. So, Alain, the floor is yours.
Hello. So thank you for your word. Can you hear me normally?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can see you and hear you.
Okay. So I'll be presenting our presentation. So project called MOIK. So this means metallization of industrial knives, which was done together with company Xterra and our company Aditya. So like mentioned, it was the project which was involving 2 companies. So Xterra, which is let's say working in this recycling industry, and us, which were like technology provider. So project duration was from March 2025 till February 2026. And yeah, here the focus was on the metallization of industrial shredder knives using recycled Inconel powder for extended lifetime. Short companies overview. Like I mentioned, here were 2 companies. First was Xterra, which main activities are processing and grinding of super alloys such as Inconel and other powders, development and production of industrial recycling knives, and metallization solutions using recycled super alloy materials. They are SME, and they're located in the north of Slovenia. So position in value chain is recycling technology, industrial tooling, and circular materials valorization. Our company Aditya was here focused more on additive manufacturing, advanced surface engineering, and development of metallization technologies. Like Xterra, also we are SME, located also in the north of Slovenia. So basically, we are like 5 kilometers apart, and also we are positioned in advanced manufacturing and materials engineering. What was the main problem at our project, or let's say the challenge we were addressing? So industrial shredder knives usually operate in extremely harsh conditions. So here we are having abrasive wear, especially when we are having composites like glass-filed plastic. There is quite high impact loading. There is adhesive polymer buildup and quite a lot of corrosion. Usual solutions are made from D2 tool steel or similar to tool grades. Usually they're having quite expensive hard-facing overlays, and there is quite a lot of need of frequent grinding and replacement. So the main problems are short lifetime, high downtime, high maintenance cost, and high material composition. So our challenge here was to produce a knife which will have longer lifetime and where we will be using circular material. Main objective of our project was develop circular metallization process for industrial shredder knives using recycled superalloy powder, and of course test it in Gorenje plant. And then we have some specific objectives which were like develop coating using recycled Inconel dust, validate metallization on industrial knives, demonstrate performance in real production, which was done in Gorenje facility at their new shredder. And yeah, here we were using technologies like flame spray metallization, we're using recycled nickel-based powder. So this is material which is usually used for engines, and company Xterra is basically doing service of grinding for some German producers, and the byproduct is this powder. And yeah, the for base material we used tool steel D2. So innovation here was combining circular economy and industrial metallization. We were performing quite a lot of different activities. So first was powder preparation. So we were here first selecting right grain dust size. So here we were having quite a lot of different sizes, from the 20 to 50 microns, from 50 to 70, from 70 to 100, and the test showed that the best was in the range from 55 to 100 microns. We were having quite a lot of process development. So here we were playing quite a lot with flame spray parameter optimization, because we were just getting the gun without any instructions, and we had to figure out how to run it, how much pressure use, which gas to use, and all this data. Then we were doing quite a lot of sample testing. So we were doing metallographical examination. So we were doing thickness measurement, looking what the microstructure is looking like. Then we were doing prototypes. So we were producing approximately 50 metallized knives, where we were using the two steel for base material and adding INCIRCULAR as overlay. Then we were having industrial validation in Gurenia. So at their AMIS ZTS 600 shredder, and the knives were running several months. Main results were that we produced 50 metallized knives using recycled powder. The thickness of the coating on these knives were like between 180 to 200 microns. We were completing industrial validation and real production environment testing. And regarding the performance, we were having like 30% improved wear resistant, less than 1% mass loss of the knife, extended service lifetime, and reduced maintenance. So our results were industrial demonstrator, validated coating process, and circular material reuse. So here on the right, you can see the knives after several months of operating in AMI shredder. And here at the bottom, you can see the cross section of the knives, so the layer and the base material. So, well, like I mentioned, here we are having quite some competitive advantages. Usually, the producers are using the two knives and the different hard-facing weldings or different coatings, which are really expensive. Our advantage is that basically we are using free material, which is basically scrap. So we are reusing this material. We are having therefore quite lower coating cost. We are having really good toughness with compared to different coatings. And yeah, we already completed industrial validation. So our unique selling point is that we're having circular metallized knives with improved wear resistant and reduced cost. Our business model. So target market are different plastic recycling companies, shredder manufacturers, and different producers for knives. In 2-3 years, we are planning to enter the market in Slovenia and in EU. And yeah, we hope that we will be able to scale metallization capacity. Revenue streams are sale of metallized knives. So here we are talking about business to business segment, retrofit metallization service, and then different partnership with producers of the machines. business model is premium knives, service-based coating, and also possible licensing. Regarding the project, so we are having different impacts on environment. So the main is that we are reusing Incunial waste powder. We can spare several tons per year of waste reduction, and we also reduce raw material consumption. Then we are having different economic impacts, like 30% longer knife lifetime, which means less cost for the customer, reduced downtime, and lower maintenance cost in general. Regarding industrial impact, we're having circular methodology solution, scalable industrial process, and recycling competitiveness. So our next steps are to scale the production, especially the process of metallization, in the deploy the industry and different OEM partners. We are also planning to do additional wear testing. We are already discussing with several other partners for much harsh environment that they will be also testing the solution. And yeah, for future needs, we are needing more industrial partners, pilot installations, and different investments for scale up. The key takeaway is that circular metallization significantly improves shredder knife lifetime while reducing industrial waste. So this was a short presentation from my side.
Thank you very much, Alan, for the presentation. As you could see, this is SME that is somehow contributing to the INCIRCULAR pilot, especially in the shredding of the plastics. So it's somehow contributing to have a long-lasting knives.